In the roundup, 4 people are out in a thunderstorm. Listen for tarnjenach, thunder. Tarnjenach. Tarnjenach and djalanach, lightning. Djalanach. Djalanach.
Weet je een kleintje voor?
Jam voor.
Tarna nog, ham is meunjachig.
Han ik een kleintje in luis?
Hij vatte valaf.
Weet je wat fijn in Jalla nog?
Gewoon niet met Jalla nog op je minnaat.
Han duske tausig. Han ik eigenlijk. Scherp min tilig.
Schaar.
Faaltje go unit lichtje 3, Unit 53. In this unit, we'll be talking about consumer issues. To say something is worth the money, you say shiacha if the thing referred to is grammatically masculine. Shiacha it's worth it. Shiacha. Shiacha.
If the thing referred to is grammatically feminine, you say shiach I. Shiach I. In the next scene, 2 items are mentioned. Blouse is masculine, so it's shiach I. Shachkach is feminine, so it's shiach I.
Jay how was meunjachig mijn blouse sjo.
Hij snog. Jee friese hij.
Lichtje de nacht.
Hij der. Ach schioche. Timmer ham ik kaya dan zijn jacket show Anne.
How gemas bachal. Jay friesche hij.
Hij tehe het nacht zijn niet jack.
Hashinke ma duur. Ach schiach je. Jay how is meunjachig mijn blouse sjo. What do you think of this blouse? Ha het duur. Ach schiach It's dear, but it's worth it.
Kimera hami a kayet an san jacket sho. How do I look in this jacket? Anna said, Hashin gema dur, ach shiachi That's quite dear, but it's worth it.
To say something is well made, you say, Hae erigianov gema, if the thing referred to is grammatically masculine. Hae erigianov gema. It's well made. Hae erigianov gema. Hae erigianov gema.
If the thing is grammatically feminine, you say, Ha-i eragianov gema. It's well made. Hai eragianov gema. Hai eragianov gema.
If more than one item is referred to, you say, Hayat irendianov guma. They are well made. Hayat irendianov guma. Hayat irendianov guma.
Wel kate oerasta lachi.
Ha, een dille de.
Stelke charab. Hij de geen of gema.
We gaan jenes een matogol. Jit werk.
Vieg, hij snog, agus hij de gianov guma kuchach. Erchi, wou ik jullie broken nach ra?
Wa?
Schau ne broken toe schau.
Had het een geen of gema. Genjekov.
Kunchakov, without any doubt. To say something will do you, you say, Nie en groencho, if the thing referred to is grammatically masculine. To say how long it would do you, you say, for example, Nie en groencho son blianichen. It'll do me for years. Nie en groencho son blianichen. Nie an graancho son blianichen.
If the thing referred to is grammatically feminine, you say ní an gnáithá son blianichen. For plural things, you say ní iad an gnáithá son blianichen.
Gen sie Kashmir. Ham versching duur, Alistair.
Ha dur go Jacob. Ach, ní an gráich is son blianichen.
Lee, how kerst? Waar is je kadjurig, Annie? Ha je kajat ma?
Ní an gráich an blianachin ha mi an dochas.
To say how long something will do someone else, you use ní I an graancha when talking about a male. Ní I an graancha son grish haast. It'll do him for a while yet.
When talking about a female, it's ní an gnáith yi. Ní an gnáith yi gusanjeti gan skull. It'll do her until she goes to school.
Wil an jacket ar a Victor Brian. Jet a weg gemadi.
Och, Aniel, ní ngnoich gair son gresh haast. Elaine, je haus munjachig man chate ek Maggie. En je an een groich hier son de skolle.
Ní an gráich gus an jitchi gan scalt coyú.
To say that something is coming apart, you say, for example, ha a tien as a chéler. It's coming apart. Ha a tien as a chéler. Ha a tien as a chéler.
Listen for ham bacca acket a chain as a chéle. Your bag is coming apart. And for chanil an léne acket rova a gianav. Hai chain as a chéle. Your shirt isn't too well made. It's coming apart.
Ha chin as a chéle.
Je,
An bakaket. Han bakaket a chin as a chéle. Shawl.
Aniel en leenjak het ravai de Gianov.
Kimmer.
Sjouw, ha je ching as a hele.
When requesting a replacement for an unsatisfactory article that is grammatically masculine, you use anatje anisho instead of or in place of this one. Anatje anisho. Anatje anisho. Am faimi Chris illa anatje anisho. Can I get another belt instead of this one?
If the article referred to is grammatically feminine, you use anacha na chesho in place of this one. Anacha na chesho. Anacha na chesho. An torshiv go tape illa anacha na chesho. Will you give me another tape in place of this one?
In the next scene, listen for rohjaun, too tight. Rohjaun. Rohjaun.
An fai mi Chris illa an áitse in níd sé.
Je, ha kjære den jershing.
Haar o hewn.
Ha shop listje. En dat je gaat tegen billen naar je net chesho.
Werke jaraf, werd met je elle geef. Vind je minach.
Tapelev.
Verke jarav. Vermiche illa gave. Yes, indeed. I'll give you another one.
Good service is je hirivish. Je hirivish. Upper je hirivish. What good service? Or huarshin je hirivish. We got good service.
Bad service is droch hirivish. Droch hirivish. Upper droch hirivish. what bad service, or she droch hirivish a ha sho. This is poor service.
Van biegot ma.
Va, agus charaking vi fih fata.
Fyrshing Joe haravash.
Cwnje vis yn car ac yn tjesial.
Hat de torst ho fat.
Ape droch heddevish.
In the roundup, Rhoda and Wilma discuss handbags they have bought. Listen for Shestu ma a haum. It's made of good material.
Stel hem een bakke oer ac het Wilma.
Va chorus tiat not. Ach shioche. Shestu mahahan.
Hai mai de janef kutjoch.
Han bakke ak het heen snok kujok.
Och, Haniel. Feme mi ferille ingen maatje niet sjo. Sjaul, hai het ching as a hele. Kaatjen doe du om fersching.
An en Salisbury's.
Feme mi soele horschen sching.
Jeer cor. Cor ma am in dochus. Faaltje unit lichet a keer. Unit 54. In this unit, we'll be talking about jobs and job prospects. To ask someone what they'd like to do, you could say, Jepatalat a Yanav, or Jepataliv a Yanav. What would you like to do?
To say what job you would like to do, you say, Butalum avi namiesker. I'd like to be a fisherman. Butalum avi namiesker. Butalum avi namiesker.
Or you can say, Hamir son avi. Hamir son avi namgohtar. I'd like to be a doctor. Hamir son avi namgohtar. Hamir son avi namgohtar.
In the next scene, a teacher is asking pupils about jobs. Listen for Nuer gases du more when you grow up, and Nuer gases du an skol when you leave school.
Eroid, Jay betalet de janef na de gases du moor.
Betullum vi namiesker. Betullum ba dieskiche viakum.
Agus aina, Jay betalet se janef na de gases du an skol.
Hamir son vi nam gotar.
Agus Jay met de jeng se gaivi. Jay betalet de janef.
Ham your son of in am feilet.
Betulum bat ieskich aviakam. I'd like to have a fishing boat. Hamir son avi nam feilat. I'd like to be a pilot.
To ask someone if they would like to do a particular job or be something in particular, you say, for example, Am betalat avi nat groenteser. Would you like to be an accountant? Am betalat avi nat groenteser. Am betalat avi nat groenteser.
Or you can say, for example, Avelur son avi nat chachkere. Would you like to be a cook? Avelur son avi nat chachkere. Avelur son avi nat chachkere.
Jay betalet de jan of a harle.
Ga je me kindjach? Ach, is kuvlem mathematic.
En betalet de vi nat hunde sed.
Stocha.
Jay betalet in jan of a runet.
Is tell him kokerach.
En veloor son of in nat chachkede.
Ha?